Hi, this is Ida Walsh, and today we're going to be looking at Discovery Square. So we're doing our quarterly report for 2019, but we're going to go over 2017 numbers, 2018, as well as the first quarter in 2019. So you can see here how many properties have sold. Now, keep in mind that Discovery Square is a little bit unique because there's still some new homes that are being sold. So this information is straight from Bright, what has been entered into the Bright. So if there were some private sales or builder sales that were not entered into the MLS, you might not have these numbers. But so far we're going to go over with the numbers that are in there. So let's take a look. So I've created this report that allows us to pick the year and also break down any of the information. So here you can see that we have 3 bedrooms, and then we can actually tab on this and open it up, and this is the total square footage. So if you're looking for a specific floor plan, for example, and also a caveat, you might see that some of these numbers may be a little off. This is only as good as the numbers that have been entered into the MLS, but we wanted to put them in here just to give you an idea of how many sales, the different square footage, etc. So let's just go over it before I open it up. So these are the number of bedrooms that sold for 2018 for townhouses. Now if I click on this, you're going to see that there is end of row townhouse, which are end units, and then regular townhouses. We're going to cover the condos next. So you can see here in 2018 we had 23 3-bedroom transactions or solds, 9 4-bedroom, and 1 6-bedroom. And you can see here the minimum close price. Now close price is basically the agreed upon price, not necessarily what it was listed for. So I wanted to put minimum and maximum and then the average, because you can see here there's a big discrepancy. So there's a $499.9 price, and then there's a $720, which gives the average price of $650. So if we do open it up, just so you can see, you'll be able to see that the different floor plans are going to be different. And you can see, like, this one was on the market for a long time, and it went for $499 and had $5,700 seller subsidy, which reduced the price down to $494. So that might have been a specific case. And then we can actually click even further and then see which unit that was. Alright, so before we go into that, I just want to go over these headers. So we have the minimum close price, maximum, again the average, so that it gives you a good idea and a gauge of what the prices are, especially for multiple units that have sold. For example, there were 8 2,604 square feet townhouses. So you can see here the price ranges were from $578 to $662. Now minimum cumulative days on the market. CDOM stands for cumulative days on the market. That's basically how long the property was on the market. Now you're going to see a lot of zeros here. Obviously those are the ones that the builders or agents that have entered the unit in for comparison purposes. So there's the minimum, maximum, and then the average days on the market. So you can see. And then the average concessions. This is basically seller subsidy. This is money going back to the sellers, or what the sellers are. I'm sorry. This is the money going from the sellers to the buyers. So this could be part of the negotiations or closing costs, etc. Average final price, obviously the final price is the close price minus the seller concessions. That gives you the final price. So here you can have a more realistic expectation if you're looking to sell your property. You have more realistic expectation of prices. Average price per square feet. I know some people like to see this number, so we did put it in there. And this information again is coming straight from MLS. Average HOA fee, you can see here, no condos, but the average car spaces, so you can see here, like this one had, the $499 only had 1 car garage or one car space. So again, that could have been an impact because the rest of them have too. All right, so the same thing for 4 bedrooms. So you can see here, even though these are 4 bedrooms, you can see that there are some 3 bedrooms that have more square footage. And then we have one that is a 6 bedroom. So let's take a look at condos. So here's a summary for 2018. So you can see here the close year is 2018, and this is specifically for condos. I'm going to go ahead and collapse these so that we can take a look at the summary. So here you can see that in 2018 we had 9 condos that sold that were 2 bedrooms, and then 7 that were 3 bedrooms. And you can see here again the minimum maximum prices, as well as the average days on the market, maximum days on the market, average days on the market, average concessions, and then the final price, as well as the average square feet, the HOA, and the condo fee. So you can see here the total fees that you would be paying if you bought a condo. Again, then we broke it down per square feet, and then on our website we even have the information with the addresses. So here again, the 3 bedrooms. And if you want to see all of this data as well as the snapshots that we took, it's on our website. So the link to that should be underneath this video. And if you can't find it, please give us a call or live chat with us so that we can direct you in the right direction. All right, so that is 2018. If you have any questions or if you're looking to buy or sell in Discovery Square, please let us know. Check out our 2017 summary as well as our first quarter 2019 and the rest of the quarters as we release them. Make it a blessed day. Thanks.